Welcome to DreamWeaver. This meditation will guide you through the Zen philosophy of Japan. Find a comfortable seated position with your spine straight and your hands resting gently on your lap. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and exhale slowly, letting go of any tension. As we embark on this journey, imagine yourself in a peaceful Japanese garden. Picture the vibrant cherry blossoms gently swaying in the breeze, and the soft sound of a babbling stream in the background. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin and sense the connection with the nature that surrounds you. Inhale deeply, allowing the fresh, crisp air of the garden to fill your lungs. As you exhale, release any stress or worries that may be lingering within you. With each breath, imagine yourself becoming more present in this serene space, letting go of the outside world. Now, turn your attention to the concept of Ichigo Ichi, which translates to one time, one meeting. Embrace the idea that each moment is unique and will never occur again. Allow this awareness to bring a sense of appreciation for the present moment, like a delicate cherry blossom that blooms only for a short time. As you breathe in and out, visualize a calm pond at the center of the garden. Imagine the water's surface as a mirror, reflecting the clear blue sky above. With each breath, see the ripples on the water, symbolizing the gentle flow of life and the interconnectedness of all things. Now, shift your focus to your breath. Inhale deeply, counting to 4, and exhale slowly to the count of 4. Feel the rhythmic flow of your breath, mirroring the natural ebb and flow of the seasons in a Japanese landscape. As you continue to breathe, become aware of any areas of tension in your body. With each breath out, release and soften these areas, allowing the energy to flow freely. Imagine the tension melting away, leaving you feeling light and at ease. Now, bring your attention to your heartbeat. Picture it as the steady drumbeat of a traditional Japanese taiko drum. Feel the rhythm of your heartbeat, syncing with the rhythm of the natural world around you. Sense the unity and harmony between your inner self and the external environment. In this moment, you are in complete harmony with the present. Embrace the simplicity and beauty of the here and now. As we gently transition back to the present moment, allow the warmth and serenity you've cultivated to linger within. Carry this sense of peacefulness with you, nurturing it as a source of strength and peace in your daily life. Remember, you hold the power to revisit this inner sanctuary anytime you need a moment of tranquility. As you slowly open your eyes, carry this sense of calm and mindfulness with you into the rest of your day. And remember the serenity of the Japanese garden within your heart. Ichigo Ichi. Cherish every encounter, and may you find peace in the flow of life.